How to prolong the life of your air conditioning unit. Every summer, we rely on our air conditioning units to keep us cool and comfortable. But did you know that with proper care and maintenance, your air conditioning unit can last for years? One of the easiest things you can do to prolong the life of your air conditioning unit is to regularly change the air filter. A clogged air filter can cause your air conditioning unit to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and potential damage. Another important maintenance task is cleaning the condenser coils. Over time, these coils can become covered in dirt and debris, reducing their efficiency and potentially causing your unit to overheat. By regularly cleaning the condenser coils, you can keep your air conditioning unit running smoothly and efficiently. It's also important to have a professional check your refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can lead to decreased performance and even damage to your unit. By keeping your refrigerant levels in check, you can ensure your air conditioning unit is operating at its best. Make sure to keep the area around your outdoor unit clear of any debris or obstructions. This will help prevent damage and allow for proper airflow. With these simple tips, you can prolong the life of your air conditioning unit and save money on energy bills. But for more extensive maintenance, be sure to contact our experts at Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning. We'll ensure your air conditioning unit is in top shape for years to come.